Hi guys, at the moment I am in a World War II group build. I decided to finish my Bristol Blenheim from last year. And I need 2 or 3 weeks more to show you the next modeling video with the Blenheim. But in the meantime I want to decide which will be the next model kit to build. And I thought you can help me choose it. Here are 9 model kits on my workbench. All of them are World War II airplanes from different countries and different eras. So I want to ask you to watch this video till the end or read the description below and tell me please in the comment section which kit is your favorite, which kit won't you see to I build. There is no good or bad decision. All model kits are here because I like them. I think it's a good idea to make my channel a bit more interactive, and I want to know which modeling era will win. Because I not want to start a new project before I finish the old one, I think we have 3 weeks to choose. After the 3 weeks, I will review the chosen model kit and I will start to build it. So let's see what we have here. The first 2 kits in the row are probably familiar to you if you saw the PSMK 2023 model kit exhibition video. I bought them there. 2 kits in the box, PZL 11 and a PZL 37 in one box from IBG in 1/72nd scale. These kits from the newest standards. If you bought these kits, please do it separately, because they are 2 different models. I can build only one at a time. The next model is a Gloucester Gladiator from Roden in 1/48 scale, and a Messerschmitt Bf-109H, a high-altitude prototype fighter from Mark models, in 1/72nd scale, an interesting rarity. We have a P-47 Thunderbolt from Airfix in 1/72nd scale, a special edition with an ACES painting scheme, a real retro kit with brazed panel lines and a lot of rivets, and a Corsair from Revell in 1/72nd scale. It is written on the box, the collector's choice. Well, it looks like I'm a collector. This is also a retro kit, no doubt. And we have another Gloucester Gladiator from Pavla, but this time in 1/72nd scale, to present the Czech model kit style with resin canopy and with photo-etched parts. The next one is a Morane Saunier Ms.406 from Hasegawa in 1/72nd scale, with the best looking box art in this bunch, from Koike Shigeo. The last kit here is this Vickers Wellington Mark II with the Merlin engine, from MPM in 1/72nd scale. Please use the comment section to vote one of these model kits. The most voted model kit will be my next project. Thank you for helping me and thank you for watching.